Wow, that was good.
Oh man, did you see that one?
That was really good.
Pretty good, huh?
Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take way too long to show you
what's in the box. That's true. That's
it
a
is
fact.
really good. I got Eric with me.
Hey guys, Eric's here.
Hi, Eric.
Hey buddy. Hey
I
Drew.
miss you.
Hey Drew.
Hi.
Hey man.
Hey.
This has been too long since we've done these.
Long time.
Yeah.
Real long time.
Yeah.
What'd you bring?
I like this. It's the highlight of my day because it really moisturizes my palms.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know if you guys can tell how sweaty these things get when I'm filming.
What'd you bring?
We got the Google Wi-Fi setup.
The Googles.
The Googles.
We got the Googles.
The Google's Wi-Fi's. Hey Google.
Hi. Oh boy, here we go.
Turn off the lights.
Stop.
Can't when we do the Google. I have to.
All right, so
All
the
right.
new Google Wi-Fi, which is
The
now
Noogle.
Nest Wi-Fi.
That's right.
This
It's
is
the
the
Noogle
Nest
Google.
Wi-Fi. This is the 3-pack, so this comes with a router and 2 access points. It's very different than the old 3-pack.
Listen, while you talk, start opening it because it takes 100 hours for that thing to slip out.
Why
That
is it
tin.
different? Before it drops, why is this 3-pack different than the old 3-pack? Go.
It goes to a bigger house.
Nope.
Expanded coverage.
Nope.
Faster internet.
All true, but not what I'm
Greater
looking for.
gigabit speed.
Nope.
Wider bandwidth. More capabilities. It's white. They don't plug in that way. Because it's Google and not... What's the answer? What answer are you looking for?
One of them is a router, and 2 of them are access points. Whereas in the old system, they were all access points.
Gotcha. You sneaky devil. I didn't realize that's what you were looking for.
There's a very easy way to tell the difference between the access points and the router.
What's that way, Drew?
I know the answer.
Tell the
though.
folks.
All
Wait,
right.
listen, you can't set up your own questions. Is it the 2 ports on the back versus the 1 port on the back?
No, they all have 2 ports. You should do some research. So,
That's no fun.
the router, which is made to go where?
Yes, at the switch.
No.
Yes.
Well, sure. That's
Yeah.
fine, yeah. Near the modem.
Right.
Does not have Google Assistant built in. Therefore, there are no speakers on top.
What?
Whereas your access points do, because those would go around
Somewhere
the
else
house.
in the house.
Somewhere else in the house.
I never know with you and your questions.
There
They're
you
like
go.
lobbing in little setups. for me.
Another big difference is the access points. What are they missing compared to last model?
Ethernet ports.
No Ethernet ports on the access points.
That's a shame.
So these are a speaker and a microphone. So you do see the speaker grill on the bottom of the access points, and you do see your microphone ports on the top. So
Is this what you put into your house? You get the new
I
ones?
did not. I
The new ones?
still have the old one, which I
models.
should eventually upgrade.
Yep, I'm due.
One of the biggest things, advantages, is the actual router itself is substantially faster than the old original router. So if you have anything over 500 megabytes of speed for download speeds or upload speeds, the old one caps out at 500. The new router caps out around a gig. So much faster, double the speed you can get out of this. The biggest difference is, though, that is only the router. The access points work just like the old ones. So if you really wanted to have a customer who has an extremely fast internet service, they have a gig, they want gig coverage, you would actually buy multiple routers.
And that's happening more and more nowadays, especially kind of in the world that we're living in now, right? People are at home, they're doing more stuff, they're working from home. You get the kids at the house, you're streaming, you're watching all kinds of content. So the enhanced speed, the increased speed is an absolute necessity in today's world.
For consistent 4K, right, and especially as it starts branching now into multiple rooms where people are getting multiple Rokus throughout the house, you certainly want to get the best internet speeds you can. I can tell you a consistent 500 gigs or 500 megs is very, very strong and capable of doing that, but you do have your very high users that are very high end, and you could easily get multiple of these single router kits.
Did you say that the users were high, Drew?
Hey man, am I driving okay? I think we're parked, man.
I said they were high data users,
No, I'm
maybe?
pretty sure you said very high users.
But you do have your very high users. Hey, listen,
I'm just checking.
Some
I don't know
states can
who's
do
using
that,
this
man.
product. I'm asking where they're selling it. I
some
don't
states can
understand.
do that.
You know, so one of the things that I like before you keep going on.
Feel that,
Okay.
feel that.
It's
Like
very
a
soft.
felt in here.
It's nice.
It's very nice.
It's how you know it's high end and high quality. Easy. So one of the things I'm really enjoying in today's setup, right? Because you know me, I'm a technical wizard. Are you okay?
Huh? Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. The QR code on the back for setup, right, and all the data and all the information, that's a really great feature. It really speeds the setup of these products up nowadays. What do you got going on?
What's that?
Are you inspecting
What's
the
that?
boxes?
What's that?
Got to open it and check it out. This is a phone cable, as it were. It's a long joke back in the day. It's a phone cable, also known as a network cable. Thanks.
What you got here?
Wall warts, power supplies for the units here.
So
with
the
USB
Googles,
connector.
Googles started doing this a while ago. These little bands.
I love those.
Yes.
It's like a little zip tie. You can take it off, reuse it.
You can take them off and then wrap the cable up exactly the length you need and reuse it, and they match the cable. It's very, very nice. Keeps the cable coiled up. They come with all of the Googles products now.
The Noogles.
Yeah, I don't know that there's anything else in here other than Ethernet cables.
Start talking about the wire ties. These things will go out to 8-10 minutes ago.
Hey, are we giving this away?
We are giving this away.
Who gave it to us?
This come from a deal? Our friend a deal? Did a deal make a deal with us?
A deal made a deal.
I love a deal.
I do love a deal.
Love a good deal.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we didn't mention one thing.
Mention it, please. The button. The switch.
What's it do?
Turns it off so it doesn't hear.
Turns off the mic. So if you do have customers that want privacy and they want this in a bedroom, there is a mic on and off switch on the back. Very easy to see, very easy to do. Clicks real loud so you know you did it.
That is true.
It's very nice.
It's a loud clicker.
It's a loud clicker.
You know, from the feature standpoint on these, right? So we had kind of talked about how quick it is to set up, but what you can get out of this if you go into the app and you take a look at it for a novice user. I'm not a networking guy, and most folks aren't.
I'm pretty sure you can rewind like 5 seconds ago and you said you were a technical wizard.
You know me, I'm a technical wizard. Right, I'm a technical wizard, but not in the field of networking. The app gives you a tremendous amount of metrics and data, right? You can see how the mesh is tied together. You can see each of the different points and whether or not it's pinging and reading and talking to the other ones and communicating. You can turn on and off different devices. You can set different devices to turn on and off at different times in the day.
You can set profiles. So that, as a parent, is one of the most useful things out of this. You can easily set a profile to your kids' devices and shut them off, which makes you seem like God. Very powerful.
Yes.
But yeah, to Tarek's point, when you go into the metric side on the app, you can actually use the Google Wi-Fi app. Even though they're going to push you into the Home app, the Home app is great. The Google Wi-Fi app still exists and gives you a little bit more data. You can go into that app and you can go see how much data each device has used over a day, 2 days, 10 days. You can look at your total
Current
data
status.
usage for the last 30 days. So you can get an idea of where your internet speed's getting sucked down.
And you can prioritize those devices, right? So if you've got your streaming devices and you want to make sure that you're going to prioritize that.
I feel like we're making it sound difficult, but when you go into the app, it's
Amazing.
all so easy to do.
Even for us technical wizards.
The wizards here can do it.
Yes.
I hope we get wizard hats.
That's right.
It'd be fun.
All right, bring it home, baby.
Oh, we're not home?
Oh, no. So what we're asking everybody to do today, at this time, if they have not already, please, is like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, go ahead and do that.
Specifically, if you'd like to win it, we do need you to comment, put your name or dealer number or however you want to be identified. That helps us find you.
And we're doing this weekly, right? We do these
Yes,
every single week, and
week.
every single week we're raffling away something
So
cool.
much stuff. So
cool
much stuff.
stuff. So you follow along, subscribe, follow along. You could watch us every week.
Isn't that what you want, us in your home?
No! God, please, no! No!
I was going to throw a bad word in there.
Week. Don't do that.
That's right.
No way. Not
All righty.
All right. We'll
Bye.
see you guys next time.
Bye.
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 See you later.
Bye.
Have a good time.
Did we make it?
We miss you.
Did we do it?